The overall goal of this experiment is to replicate police investigations in which an eyewitness may create a holistic facial composite of the offender from memory, and then subsequently be asked to view a video lineup containing the police suspect.
This method can answer key questions in the field of forensic psychology, such as how facial composite production can be optimized and the effect of that on subsequent eyewitness identification. The main advantage of this method is flexibility. Key variables can be measured, such as delay between procedures, age or ethnicity of the participants, things that might affect a real police investigation. Demonstrating the procedure will be Andreea Maigut, a research assistant in my laboratory who has also attended police operator training, and our participant witness who is completely naive to the procedure.
To begin, have the participant view a video clip showing a randomly selected culprit committing a minor crime. The video should depict good quality full-body views and close-ups of the front and both sides of the face. Following the video, have the participant witness provide a verbal description of the culprit's approximate age, gender, ethnicity, and clothing. Then, have the participant witness provide a verbal rating depicting their confidence in being able to recognize the culprit. Next, use the elements of the cognitive interview to ascertain as many additional details as possible about the culprit. Fill in any gaps left by the participant witness's free recall account using the series of questions.